Hey guys, welcome back to the Backyard Collector channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my Victorinox Fieldmaster, and I apologize in advance. I've been sick the last 2-3 days, and it's going through me though, so should be about probably another 2 days, and then I'll be back to normal, but my voice is a little hoarse right now. Also, I've had a really busy past 2 weeks, so that's why I haven't been making many videos. But anyway, here it is. This is the Victorinox Fieldmaster. It is the exact same knife as the Huntsman, except instead of a corkscrew right here, has the Phillips. So, I put some paracord on it. That's all I've done to it. I don't plan on modifying it at all, because there's a reason I bought this one, because it has what I want on it. I was going to order the Huntsman, but then I saw this model, and I learned that they carry it at my local Menards, so just went over there and picked it up for 44 bucks. Let's get into the tools. So, bottle opener, screw flathead, and wire stripper. Over here, can opener, small screwdriver, main blade. I don't remember the exact dimensions of that, but it's good enough to work with. You can work with it. Some people might not like Victorinox, at least their medium and small ones, because they're slip joints. They don't lock, but I grew up using a slip joint, but so I'm fine with it, but I don't really care. Could be either way. Obviously, don't poke with this, because it could close. But then you have a secondary small blade. And then scissors, which probably the best scissors out there, besides some Leatherman scissors, like the ones on the Surge, which I will be making my next video about. But these scissors are very good. Very crispy, I guess you could say. But, let's see, what am I forgetting? Okay, the saw. I haven't used it before, but it's there if I need it. Then obviously you got your, you got your tweezers. I almost said pliers. Tweezers. These are your scale tools. And then over here you have toothpick. What I was going to say is, earlier I said I'm not planning on modifying it, but I might just maybe buy plus scales for it and put those on. If you don't know what Victorinox plus scales are, it's just, they look the exact same pretty much, but there's an extra hole for a ballpoint pen you can get. And then if you watched that Felix Imler video, I don't know if any of you guys have watched him before, but if you haven't, go check him out. If you like Swiss Army knives, he's the channel to watch. He shows how in the plus scales there's an extra channel in there, and you can file it out to have 4 slots in total on the plus scales. But let's go to the back side. Obviously, we have the Phillips. Back here we have an awl, which is decently sharp. You can make some pretty nice holes with this. And then right here, which is the hardest tool to get out, your multi-purpose hook. You can hold, like, if you're out camping and you have a like a pot or something with a handle, you can lift this off the fire with it so you don't burn yourself. I don't know, it's a nice tool to have. I'm not saying you're going to use it all the time, but it's nice to have. And that's everything. I really enjoy this knife. Even though I haven't owned it very long, it has all the tools I like and none of the ones I don't need. Uh, I just find it very usable. So yeah, that's my video about the Victorinox Huntsman. If I do end up getting plus scales, I'll make a video about it and let you guys know. But for now, I don't know. I think I might just leave it like this. But uh, if I do, I'll let you know. But alrighty, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.